Learn about another voice and culture of Taiwan with We Love Hakka.
现在就让我们一起加入客家风情，大家来讲客家吧。
The Hakka people of Manzhou Town in Pingtung mostly come from the Liudui area. However, since most of them live together with indigenous Taiwanese, the Hakka culture isn't that obvious. Traces of Hakka culture, however, can still be found at the over 100-year-old Jiangzi Pavilion and at the red brick Old Yo House located along the scenic Zhongshan Road.
屏东县满洲乡的客家人大多来自六堆地区，因为人数不多，又和原住民混居，客家色彩并不是那么明显。寻找客家踪迹，除了有座100年历史的镜字亭，位在中山路老街上的尤氏老屋，是座有着圆拱形骑楼的红砖建筑。
Hi everybody, it's time to talk about Hakka right here on ICRT.
Hello， 大家好，我是阿平哥 Leo。
大家好, I'm Tim Berge. Hey Leo, I hear we're heading back down to Pingtung today, so we're going to check out. 我们今天要去屏东哪个地方啊？
今天要带大家去就去屏东县的满族乡、满洲乡、
满族乡、
满族乡、
满族乡. Okay, so that's Manzhou Township down in Pingtung County. When we're down here in Manzhou, what can we check out while we're down there? 我们这边有什么比较有趣的呢？
满族乡其实客家人冇講當到，但係一片有隻景點係當有名嘅，叫做係嘉樂水。
嘉樂水，這是什麼地方？
嘉樂水，
嘉樂水。
這是一個旅遊的景點。嘉樂水
Okay, which is very famous for its beautiful scenery. 嘉樂水。What can we do while we're down there?
既然有水，那當然就是玩水，還有
Okay,
衝浪。
衝浪啊，那很棒啊，夏天那很棒啊。So go surfing.
衝浪，
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 衝浪。
一片還有隻當有名嘅生態保護區，就係南銀山生態保護區、南人山生態保護區。
哦，南人山生態保護區。
這是在墾丁國家公園裡頭。
Not too far away, we can go to Kending. We can stop off at the Nanren Mountain Ecological Preserve. That sounds really neat. 那你剛剛說這個客語要怎麼說呢？
南銀山，
南銀山
生態保護區，
生態保護區。哦，區就是 key。
對，南銀山，
南銀山
生態保護區，
生態保護區。好像我就記得這個 key 就是區
差不多啦。
Not the key for opening up the door， 不是要開門的那個鑰匙啊。
不是不是。
Wow, that's great. We had a fun time down in Pingtung at the Manzhou Township today. And that does it for today's Talk About Hakka here on ICRT. I'm Tim Berge.
我係 Leo，什麼大家按時識，再來聊。
See you next time.
客家風情由行政院客家委員會監製。
We Love Hakka has been brought to you by the Executive Yuan's Council for Hakka Affairs.